So you want to learn how you can watch all of your favorite animes for free? Well, I got you. So, let's hop straight into the video. The first site that we'll be getting into is called Crunchyroll. Open your favorite web browser and type in Crunchyroll. This is the homepage. Now, of course, they're going to try and get you to pay for a premium account, but the best way to avoid paying is to create a free account. So let's head on over to the App Store and download the app. While that's downloading, here's a pro and cons list for watching Crunchyroll. If you're someone who doesn't like watching ads, don't even download Crunchyroll because you definitely will be watching ads. Now, over the years, the selection of what you can watch for free is getting smaller and smaller because the site is getting more popular. The only pro is that it's for free. Go ahead and open the app and then create your account. Once you've created your account, on the bottom here, to help you navigate the app better, you have 5 different icons: Home, My List, Browse, Store, and Account. Scroll through the library, and you should be able to watch whatever anime you would like. Up next is an app called Tubi, and not gonna lie y'all, this is way better than Crunchyroll. Open the web browser, and again, you can watch this from the app as well. Now, with Tubi, they'll give you a couple of ads, 3 at the max, but this is the home screen. Now, if you're watching from the app, the only way to see what animes they have is to use the Explore tool, aka the search bar. Go ahead and type in anime, then scroll till you find one that you like, and tap on it, and hit play. So now that y'all have the gist, I'm also going to give y'all a list of other anime sites you can watch for free. Just keep in mind, use a web browser to search these animes, but if they do have an app, go ahead and download the app for a better viewing experience. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any other sites that you think would be useful, comment down below. Let's help each other out so we can watch our favorite animes for free. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.